Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today I have one interesting thing to tell for all of you. If you are interested in attending any of the meetups, you can directly go to Google and search for meetup.com website, and also there is a application. You can download it if needed. Based upon your like interest, you can search here the category. Here you can choose the category. For example purpose, I am choosing technology. Just click on apply and sort by keep relevance and distance also you can select here. First of all, you need to search Bangalore or Mumbai or Hyderabad. I'm searching like Bangalore. It will show like a list of the cities, and then you need to select the filters here, like in person or outdoor, indoor, or any type. I'm just keeping any type. And the distance also you can select, and whatever the upcoming events it will show here regarding the technology wise. If you are into DevOps or if you are into development, based upon your like interest, you can choose and you can apply for that. And most of the events are free available. You can check before the registering for the event, uh, whether is it a free or paid one. Okay. And you can let's say for example, if you want to attend for this meetup, it is a online meetup. Let's go to any another meetup session which is conducting offline. Here they will share the location and all those things. Location visible to members. If you join in those groups, it will be visible. And also one more thing, sometimes the location will be visible after your registration only. Once you register, you will receive a email that you are registered, but yet to receive a confirmation. Once you receive a approval, at the time also you will receive a email stating that your registration was approved. So here is the e-ticket will be generated with the QR code and location and meetup, let's say one meetup. Based on the meetup details, it will show like e-ticket will be generated by this particular uh, website. And also there is a Luma, let me show you, lu.ma website. Here also you can for example, I took one of the meetup. Here you can just go to this particular meetup and you can register for that. And also you can search for any available meetups, let's say in the space of DevOps. So just click on search icon. Here if anything available it will shows. If don't available, let's say DevFest, it is available. It is on 14th November, and you can apply register for this. Here it will show the location details, all those things. Okay. And if you want know more information about all those things and availability, all those things, there is a dedicated channels for this also in the LinkedIn page. Okay. You can follow those as well, and you can follow this meetup.com site also. And if you are interested for the volunteering also, you can sign up and go through the events. You, if you are interested and it is nearby location, you can volunteer there. Okay. And what is the final outcome after attending this meetups was, you will get to know mostly these meetups will be having on in trending AI and observability, DevSecOps, whatever the trending will be there, that will be best practices on those these meetups. And some kind of hands-on will be done in that particular session. Okay. What is the final outcome from that particular meetups was, we will get a good networking. Okay. There will be some lot of like-minded people will be there. Based upon your interest, you can like connect with them. You can take a LinkedIn profile, and you can take a mobile number also, and you can connect for further references, and regarding the technology stack wise also. And some particular meetups, they will promote the product of the respective, let's say, startup or any available product. Okay, there is a newly launched product by the company. They will try to like and enrich that particular product to the various developers or DevOps engineers. And why? Because there may be some people who are in the like more senior level and architecture level of people currently attended for the this particular meetup. There may be chance of getting those particular what we can call tools or products into currently their project. Okay, they may implement those like technologies. They may use those particular tool in the current their organization. Okay, by this they what they will get was they will get a good business also. And for that company also, it will be enriched to the more number of peoples, and their community also will be grown. That is the main outcome from the any meetup. And if it is free, you can go. And some meetups will be paid also. If it is a less amount, you can go. If it is more amount, then you can think twice before registering. And one more thing, if you are attending, then only you have to register. Why? Because they need to make some arrangements, right? That may be seating arrangements, that may be snacks or food, whatever it may be. They need to make some approximation idea about all those estimations. So if you are really interested, then explore this and go. And mostly if you are a working professional, you can choose weekend meetups. If you are student, in student also you have college in weekdays, you in that case also you can choose the weekends as your what we can call the exploring options. And utilize your time as much as possible, and build your connections. And in current situation and scenarios, growing community as a person, and it is very much important. And showcasing your skills and achievements, and creating some good portfolio, and creating your a robust LinkedIn profile is very much important. So focus on that, and keep learning and keep moving forward. Have a great learning, and thank you so much for watching the video. I will come up with a new video with some other useful videos. And if you have any suggestions or else topics to do any videos, please let me know in the comments. I will definitely take it. Thank you.